is an astronomer who works at NASA. Let's find a little bit more out about her job. Can you please give us a brief summary about your job?
Well, as an astronomer, I study the universe and all the objects within it. So there are many interesting objects in this system. So we astronomers tend to study the galaxies, the stars, the suns, the moon, the planet, and all of that. But personally, I really enjoy the supporting the space missions.
Wow! Next question. Within your job, what are some educational requirements?
I had to go through high school. And then college, I had to get my PhD. And after that, in order to become an astronomer, you have to do a postdoctoral research program. It's a lot of school, but I thoroughly enjoyed it all.
That's so cool. Besides your passion to be an astronomer, I'm sure money plays a big part. What you making?
Astronomers tend to make about $96,000 to $100,000 each year, but I just got an 11% raise, so.
Awesome! Okay, so what is your job's availability?
Okay. There's currently about 23,000 jobs in our field right now. We expect a 10% increase within the next decade. There's always more room for astronomers.
Holla.
Do you need a telescope? Because we got telescopes. For 3 easy payments of $19.99, this telescope could be yours. Just call 1-800-MY-TELLY. Again, that's 1-800-MY-TELLY.
We're back! Can we please have some pros and cons about being an astronomer?
Obviously, the fact that you get to discover mysteries of the universe, that's a pro. Some people enjoy that your college pays you, you're doing work for the humankind, and there's an opportunity to discover so many remarkable things about the universe. So those are mainly the pros. Some cons are that you have to go to school for so many years, and you also don't work a regular 9-to-5 job.
Wow, that's so fascinating. Now, let's talk about my favorite subject, math. How is math incorporated into being an astronomer?
My work has me using a lot of concepts that involve math and physics, such as Newton's law of universal gravitation, and that explains that the gravitational force decreases with distance.
Yeah, I learned that in physics. Newton was a cool guy.
Yes.
I have found a math problem that I would love for you to solve because I've had a very hard time solving it. What is the force exerted by a rocket on the moon? Assume that the rocket has a mass of 10 to the 8th kilograms and the moon has 10 to the 9th kilograms. The distance between them is about 5,000 kilometers and the rocket is due east of the moon.
First, you have to write down what everything in the word problem is, which you've done already. Then you need to write down Newton's law of universal gravitation. Force equals G times the mass of 1 times the mass of 2 over R squared. Good. Now we need to convert R from kilometers to meters. That brings us to 5 million meters. So now we take all of our information and plug it back into the original equation. Good job. So now we take all of that and we put it into the calculator.
Thank you for being here today.
No problem.